Let's go. Hey, Supersize. Good morning, man. What's going on? Just made a decent trade just now on AUD USD. Not too bad. Good way to start my morning. $500. Damn. That sucks, bro. Sorry. Yeah, that's the thing, man, when it comes to the way that you play it. It's just... That's a lot. I play smaller, but I definitely, yeah, that's... Yeah, that's the whole thing with that. So I'm always watching. So I play off my 20 and the 200. It's a big. It really helps me indicate what the market's doing. So I hear it's USD JPY right there. I mean, it cut across right at the 20 and the 200, and it's just been downtrending like crazy. I watch that. I mean, it really does play a big part in my trading because it really shows. And it was all up above it for a long time. And then once it crossed here, it was a fake out. But once it crossed again, that was it. I mean, it just dropped. So that's what I look for. And now it's really far away, right, from the 20 and the 200. So I'm kind of watching that to see if it's going to cut back across this 200 to 20 and then ride its way back up again, back to the 200 again. So why you know? Forex free ask why you're in the market while news hits. Yeah, some people do that, Forex. Some people do trade with the news. I've talked to quite a few people that actually do that. It's pretty typical. I mean, news definitely does help. I kind of stay. I don't really stay with the news. I just watch what my indicators are telling me. But it does help because you can catch some really big moves off the news. I have to pay it back by Friday. Are you playing? So you're playing like with a broker? Like you owe them money? I'm not. Fuck that, dude. I'm not playing that kind of game. Hell no. If I lose my money, that's it. It's on me. I am not paying back fucking nobody. I mean, they say more traders lose their money than win, and it's just learning. I mean, I've lost. Oh, you don't owe anybody. Okay, I was gonna say, dude, that's some scary shit right there. I don't play that game. Yeah, I like the way USD JPY is moving right now. It's got some freaking major action. Oh, that's why I gotta stay in the same freaking time frame. It would help. So, that doesn't make any sense. Why? I have one screen showing my 20 and 200 are far away from each other, but then on trading view on 5 minute it shows my 20 and my 200 crossed. How the fuck the hell is that? Oh, wait a minute, that's why. Need a refresh. There we go. Now it's on time. Okay. I was gonna say, what the hell is going on? Welcome everybody that's just joining. I am currently watching USD JPY. It just had a really good crossover from the 20 and the 200. This is a really nice drop, so I usually like to catch these on the reversals. or anytime it crosses, excuse me. There's always good movement, which is what it's showing right here. It did cross, and we got a really good dump. I wish I could have seen this just a few minutes before, just as it was crossing. But we will see how it goes. Tim William, what is going on? Welcome to my live. So I'm currently watching USD JPY right now. Also, the range bars are showing that as well for confirmation here that we are continuing a downtrend. I do have on these range bars is Forex, crypto, stocks, and indices is what I'm able to look at with these. These move off points and not time. So I'm currently watching USD JPY right now. MFL, welcome to my live. Do appreciate it. If you guys can, please hit the like button. It does help my algorithm. See, I lost that again. Let's see. Let's see, where are we at for... I got way too many lines running right now. I need to clear some of these out. So I can actually see what is going on. Come on, don't do that. So there's the lower low. So it looks like we are heading down towards the lower low right now. PSAR is still showing a short as well, but we've definitely dropped pretty heavy here. So I would expect a little bit of a pullback here. Hey, I pay attention. What's going on, man? How's your trades going? Yeah, super size. Sometimes you just gotta take a break, so definitely do what you gotta do on that. I did just catch a move on AUD USD on Forex. Also, it was a nice little trade as well. I caught a bounce off of that, so it wasn't too bad. Still holding on to this ETC USD. I've held on to this for like, I don't know, I think I'm almost a week now. Still trying to make my profits back from the dumb mistake I made. Chris Coates, I'm pretty new at crypto trading and I'm looking to move off Robinhood. Any recommendations? So I use TradeXN as my broker to trade with. It has no fees and a low spread. So that's why I use it. I'm trading with like a $140 account. And I can do that because there's no fees and the spreads are low. And then and then these trade crypto, stocks, Forex, and indices as well. It is why I use it. Yeah, Bybit's got really high fees. So I don't touch Bybit because of that. As far as TradeXN is concerned, though, it is an offshore broker. I always want to let people know that, and it's not FDIC insured. Of course, like FTX was in the US, I think, and you saw what happened to them. I've been with TradeXN since October, and I haven't had any issues. I can put my money on and off. Support is very easy to get a hold of as well. They do always respond to you. I send them emails frequently, just asking them stuff. And they always respond. So, in order to put money on TradeXN, you just use, I use like Crypto.com or Coinbase to move my money over on the wallet. And I use USDC. That seems to be the cheapest way to do it. If you want to check them out, I do have a link in my bio. I do get something from that, so I would appreciate it if you decide to use that link. But my primary that I really like to use here are range bars. It's just part of my trading that I do. And these have crypto stocks, forex, and indices as well. And they move off points, not time. It gets rid of all the noise in the market here. So you have your like a reversal here on Bitcoin. It just shows you're trending up. You want to buy on the reversal, so you want to catch it on the red bar here. I do mix that in my trading here as well. Like here, I use my indicators on USD JPY. So I have my PSAR that goes down. But I look for the 20 and my 200 is part of my trading strategy. So I want to catch it when they break across of each other. It's called a golden cross. So that's what I look for. As well as the higher high and higher lows is the other part of my trading that I do. So I do draw lines. So I have multiple ways of indication to give me what I'm looking for at all times. I pay attention. Cool. Yeah, please use my link. I do appreciate that. And so I don't, take, I'm not asking people for money or nothing, but that I at least ask them just to use my link. I do appreciate that. And see, as super size, as I have told you how many times, use a freaking stop loss as part of my risk management training that I do give here as well. You want to put stop losses in place. I don't care if you keep it decently far down, right? But make sure they say, okay, I'm not willing to lose more than a tenth of my account or a quarter of my account. That is my absolute limit. I don't want to blow more than, say, $100 or something, but put it in place because you don't know what the market's going to do. Hey, Rico Clashing, thanks for those likes, brother. I do appreciate you. You just have to put a stop loss in place, and watch how much you're risking on your account. That's all you got to do. And you can continue to trade. I will preach this every single day, all day long, because I've done it. I've lost money because I didn't have those before in place. Now I always do. And if I can go to bed and not worry about it because I have a stop loss there, if I have to leave the computer, I at least know what the potential is of my ultimate, what I can lose. Right. You can be wrong. I'm wrong. How many times I've lost how many trades? You've been here. You've seen I've made losses. I have. But do I have a limit? I do. I have my stop loss in place just fucking in case. Because I don't know 100% what the market's going to do. It doesn't care if I'm here or not. It's going to move. So what do? I have the stop loss in place. Absolutely. And I'm always trading the different markets here. So they're all a little bit different. It is good to kind of learn at least one or two of how they flow. But again, they still are going to do what they do. So, like right now, I'm trading USD JPY. It had a really good reversal here, or the golden cross of the 20 and the 200 EMA. The PSAR and all that is is shorting right now big time. It is coming up, heading towards the lower low right now, which is about 135.9. If I pull back, you can see it. I do have my marker set there. So I can ride this down. But it's already, kind of in a move. So I do look for support lines, so higher highs and lower lows. I want to come to that and either bounce off or cross over. That's part of my trading strategy. You look for consolidation as well. You wait for the breakouts out of consolidation. That's the other point you look for. And then I read candles as well, because they tell a story. They tell you, like, if you have a hammer, it's telling you that's going to go that direction. You have a morning star telling you you're getting a reversal. You have the cup and handle. There's all these different indicators that you can definitely use. And along with those indicators, I use these range bars here, and they're free to use. They don't cost anything. They're streaming off a server. And I get them there on our Discord, which is free as well. To training Discord, we don't charge anything for the information that we give as well. We have We have over 8,000 members in there, and everybody, you know, helps each other out. We do have training videos on how to use the range bars here as well. These move off points, not time. And what I'm looking for is the reversals here. All this quiets the market. It doesn't have a bunch of noise. These also have audio indications as well when enough of the indicators come together. As you see here on Bitcoin, it had a long downtrend, and now we're getting a green bar. What does that mean? That means that we're probably heading up right now. So if I jumped over to, we can go over to Bitcoin, right? And Bitcoin, see right here, is having a downtrend, and now we're getting that green bar, showing that we're probably moving up. Now that is on the day chart, so we'll come back here to the 5-minute chart. And there's the audio signal that I was just talking about. Just said buy now BTC. What do we have? We had a downtrend, a reversal. We have the tail bar on the bottom here. So that means that we're trending up. And I'm going to put my PSAR on here because it changed pairs. So at the moment, it does have the PSAR on top. Because we just had this long downtrend. So it's looking for this to flip and go back the other way. See, we already have 2 bars, but this should continue up here. We already had a really long trend on the PSAR here for a long time. It did get a flip as well. So I'm going to watch this just for a moment just to confirm. Since we just reversed, this could just end up being a pullback and a continuing downtrend. That is why I do use both indicators. The 1 hour was showing a long downtrend and then a up. So it is good to pull out to the bigger time frames as well to kind of see which way the market is going. This has had an uptrend, had some down, and is showing a downtrend as well. So you had a down there. You have up on the 1 hour, 1 on the 5-minute. So it's good to look at multiple when you do this. If anybody's new to my live, if you can, please hit that like button. I do appreciate it. It does help my algorithm. I am watching Bitcoin just at the moment. Also watching USD JPY. Waiting to see if it comes down to its support of 135.9 and either breaks through or reverses. That is on the 5-minute time frame. Let's see here. Yeah, I'll make sure I set my lines for my lower lows on USD JPY right now. Yeah, I already have my marker set there, so we're gonna see what it does. It looks like it is starting to consolidate some after having this long breakthrough here, so it may do a little bit of a pullback before continuing down. Chris Coat, what's going on? Thanks for the follow. Rico Clash, hey, thanks for all the likes, dude. I know that's all you. Give me those 2,000 likes. Thank you, brother. Absolutely do appreciate that. Now, if you guys can too, I am trying to get a goal here for subscriptions up top. I do have 1 subscriber so far. I would like to get more possibly. That would be cool. Thanks. Let's see. So what we got going on? USD JPY. Let me move this down here because looks like we're consolidating right here. So let's see if this is going to end up doing a breakout. 130.
Trade down now. Trade up now.
Let's see.
USD JPY.
So I just got a trade down now, USD JPY, and that's what we're watching right now. So on the 1 minute here, it is consolidating. The PSAR is showing a downtrend. So we're starting to get, I think that was, maybe it was just a consolidation, and then a pullback. So we will watch it here for a moment. But I do want it to come back down here. It needs to break out of this consolidation before I jump in. We just got to sell now. Bitcoin USD. He had a lot of finger training. That's funny. So the indicators are good, but you still do have to watch those candles, right? Because we've got PSAR showing uptrend, but we'd also have the audio saying that we're going down. So sometimes you can get mixed signals, but use your eyes. So like, what do they tell you? What do you see it actually doing? Right. Right now it's consolidating, right? It's starting to go sideways. It's all consolidated. So it's either going to break out here and have a pullback and continue up back towards the 200, which is pretty far away from each other. So, being that they are so far away, and this is, see, it is showing an uptrend here on the range bars. With that and the PSAR reversing, I would say that we're going to go back up. And it looks like we are breaking out of this consolidation here. So I'm going to put a trade in here on USD JPY in the trade. Hey, Purplets, what's going on? Carlos, hey, what's going on? Welcome to my live. That's Dow. There's a trade down now on Dow Jones indicator from the range bars. I just jumped into a trade on USD JPY, and I'm going long here. We do have the PSAR on the bottom giving us that indication. We are back now on top of the 20 EMA heading towards the 200. We are pretty far away from it. And that's what I'm looking for. I'm always trying to catch it when it crosses, but once this far, then I like to ride it back up towards the 200. It has to come back to it. Yeah, I just jumped into buy USD JPY. So to each their own, everybody do their own. This is not financial advice. I do this, as they say, for entertainment purposes only. I just do it to teach, but it is up to everybody to make their own decisions when they hit that buy button. I'm just making my trades, and I just let people know what I'm doing. They can follow along if they would like. But I do feel like, right, and that's why I'm in a trade right now with USD JPY. You do it to lose your account.
Trade down now, Russell 2000. Trade down now, Russell 2000.
Yeah, so I do it slow. As I said, I kind of went through what you did, you know, and I lost some, and so now because of that, I take my time, and I look. I really watch my indicators here to see what they're telling me. So, again, I look for, you know, consolidation to break out of the boxes. I watch my 20 and my 200 EMAs here, and then I also use my range bars to give me direction as well. So these move off points and not time, and so they only move when the market's moving. USD JPY right now is showing an uptrend. And now it's catching, looks like a possible just a pullback. So we'll see what this ends up doing for us. Hey, let's bail bonds. What's going on? Thanks for joining. Daniel Jones, what's up? Thinking of the island. Hey, I like that. Oh, one king of the land. I like the other one too. Something about the island. That was cool. Hey, thanks for following along here. I'm watching, or I'm in a trade now with USD JPY going in a long position. Now we have the PSAR indicators underneath us, the 20 is above, and then the 200. Looking to go back towards the 200. Anytime the 20 and the 200 are separated, they do need to come back together. So I am watching that right now. It seems that we did get, we are getting quite a bit of compression right now on USJPY. Hopefully we will get some continued volume there. And we had a really good drop here a little while ago, so I think that's just what's doing. I was trying to catch a little bit of a pullback. Let's see if we can get some more direction back to the 200 again. Esoteric, what is going on? I am currently trading on TradeXN if anybody's curious on the broker. But I am using range bars here as well as part of my indicator. These are free to use. These have crypto stocks, forex, and indices. These move off points and not time. So it does help. I'm not worried about the 5-minute charts or whatever. These are also independent. Are not connected to TradeXN. So you can use them on Binance or Fidelity or whatever platform you're trading on. These are all just streaming. You can't change them, but you can follow along with them. So I look for reversals in the market is what I'm looking for when I use these. So you have like Forex here. Was having a little bit of an uptrend, and now we're getting a reversal. I am in USD JPY right now. I was trying to catch kind of an uptrend here, but we may end up just continuing down. It's completely flat now, so on the 5-minute chart, so I don't know what it's going to do. Also, you don't want to trade a flat market, but it did look like it was breaking out of its consolidation and was going to move back up. So we will see what it does. Solomon, thanks for the follow. Do appreciate that. Henry Francis, thanks for joining my live. I'm currently in a trade with USD JPY. In a long position. Let's just trying to catch a little bit of a pullback here. I think we may just continue down and head towards that last lower low and see if we're going to be able to break it. But I am holding for now. I want to see what this is going to do. My PSAR is still showing a uptrend, but the candles are completely flat right now. So we are getting a little bit of a red bar here. We'll see what it does. Dines Shara, what's going on? We just got a trade down now. USD JPY. So that means that we're probably going to continue down. Yeah, that's what I'm getting there on the range bars as well. So I think what I'm going to do is jump into a short as well. So I'm in a position going short also. You do want to put stop losses in place, which I actually need to get in here. I'm too busy talking. Let's see, 136, 130, 138.3. So I need, that's what we're selling. I need 139. No, that would be wrong. 130. 138.2. 138.233. No. I always forget how JPY works. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We want 138 point. No, point 1. Whoops. One, 2, 3. Why is that doing 136? Because I'm, yeah, my eyeballs, sometimes they don't work. Huh? Hold on 1 second. What's going on here? 136.334. No. What? Oh, there we go. Alright, there we go. Oh yeah, I had to manually put that in there, but it is in place. I need to do the same thing here with this one. That is a buy, so I need to go this way. There we go. So I got that one in place as well. So I said you always want to use stop losses. Use 1-2% of your account when you're trading to protect your capital, so you don't lose everything that you work so hard for. If you're brand new to trading, welcome. So I do teach risk management using 1-2% of your account, and always put stop losses in place when you're trading. I trade crypto, stocks, forex, and indices, so there's always something that I can trade on the weekend. And I do trade also using range bars here. These move off points, not time, so it just helps show me which way the market is currently trending. I am on USD JPY right now, so we had a uptrend. Had a little bit of an uptrend after that long pullback. We had a reversal. We may continue up some, possibly before we do continue down to the lower low, which is about 135.9. Kirk Alert, what's going on? Thanks for joining my live. So I currently am in trades with USD JPY. I'm on a 5-minute time frame here. It is consolidating at the moment, so we will see what it ends up doing. I do have a box drawn on my TradingView account. I do use it also, so I have multiple indicators, but I want to see which way this is going to go. As soon as I know, I will sell my other trade. I have it going up and down right now, and then I'll just trade whatever one jumps out of the box here. So Kevin Zubia, I'm already in a trade with USD JPY. I actually have it going up both directions at the moment. So we did have a pretty good drop, but we are consolidating. So I'm waiting to see which way this is going to go, and then I'll jump out of one of the trades. So right now I'm looking at like 136.19. It needs to break to the upside, and 136. 0.038 to go to the downside. So it's consolidating right now. We'll see which way this goes, and then I'll just jump out of whatever trade once I start getting an indication and just ride that other one up. So yeah, I think I just used USD CAD a little while ago. I made a good trade in that one. Oh no, it was AUD USD. I was in that one. That was a good trade. Yako Goli, geez, I don't know how to say your name. Welcome to my live. Thanks for joining. So I'm currently in a trade right now with JPY. Okay, all right. Yeah, definitely wait, see what it's gonna do. Let's see. It looks like we. Yeah, I do have the PSAR still showing downtrend here on USD JPY. It looks like it's going to go into profit, so I'm going to jump out of my long position here. And I think we're just going to end up continuing down. I do have my stop losses and stuff set. I do have to take off to the store. So you guys please follow along, hit the follow like button if you want to see how things are going. Hit the bell. Also, you can come over to our Discord as well. We have over 8,000 members there. They're always, training and teaching other people as well. They help people out, and they always give free indications and stuff sometimes also. So come on, check it out. The link is in my bio, JST. There's also where you can get the range bars here as well. Again, they don't cost anything. They are free to use. Just click on the link in my bio, JST. There's lots of training videos on how to use them. I'm in the Discord a lot as well, so I can talk to you there also. Again, I am trading on TradeXN. Has stocks, cryptos, forex, and indices. So you can trade 24/7. There's always something to trade. The link for TradeXN also is in the link in my bio. If you do click on it, it does benefit me. So I would appreciate it if you used my link. Other than that, I will catch you guys on the flip side. I will be on again later tonight, and hopefully we can do some trades together. So I will see you guys all later. Again, thanks for following along. And I will see you all on the flip side. 136.041. Yeah, well, like I said, it is heading towards the lower low of 135.9. So you may want to keep an eye on that lower low as well. See if it bounces off of it. So it's just consolidating right now. Anyway, I will catch you guys all on the... Yeah, it should bounce on that. That's all I'm saying. So it is dropping right now. Looks like it's going to break that box. So I'm glad I went out of my buy trade. I'm in my short. I'm currently in profit right now. So
Trade up now. GBP.
That was a good call on my part. I've made up that loss now. I am in profit. So anyway, I will catch you all later on. Have you guys have a great day. I'll see you guys later.